Chaos that is being seen outside liquor shops in many parts of Delhi. The police has been called out to disperse the crowd that is gathering at liquor shops in Delhi. For more on this, let's go across to my colleague Akshay Dongre at Vasant Vihar. Akshay, it's been a long time since these liquor shops have been closed, but excise revenue has dipped and states have decided to open them up. What is the problem that the police is facing as far as social distancing or physical distancing is concerned outside these shops?
Well, Anjali, as far as revenue is concerned, if we look at the queues that are emerging outside the liquor and wine shops, we can say one thing for sure, that it is a good news for the government as far as revenue is concerned, because thousands of people are gathering outside these liquor shops. As you can see, this is just a small area where people have started gathering, but believe me, this particular queue is more than a kilometer long. I will try and show our viewers what exactly is the situation in areas where liquor shops are opening. As you can see, these are the circles which have been made, but most of the people are not following the norms of social distancing. So you can see most of them are either standing outside their circles, and this crowd, you can see most of them are not maintaining social distancing. And as Prime Minister and many people have already said that 2 gaz ki duri is very important, distance of 6 feet is very important. Nothing is being maintained here. As you can see, police is also present, but people are saying that nothing of that sort is happening. Let's go and talk to some people. What exactly are their problems? क्या परेशानी हो रही है यहाँ पर?
मोदी जी का अपमान है, बंद कराओ ठेके वेके। ये केजरीवाल
आप लेकिन खुद खड़े हैं यहाँ पर।
सर क्या करें, परेशान है, देखो क्या हो रहा है।
हाँ, तो यहाँ पर क्या आप लोगों को डर नहीं लग रहा कि यहाँ पर कोरोना की जैसी बीमारी है, पूरा देश बंद था, आप लोग अब यहाँ पर इतने पास देखिए चिपक कर खड़े हुए एकदम से? हाँ जी, आप बताइए।
कोई मानने को तैयार नहीं है सर डिस्टेंस को भी।
See, Anjali, you can see most of the people here and are standing, and there are multiple queues which have been found by the police officials. There are continuous announcements being done by the police. You can see there is also a police van present there. They are sounding alarm, but people are not listening. It seems that the wish of people to get their booze has overpowered their fears of this COVID-19, due to which these shops were closed for more than a month, Anjali.
Right, we can see that people are actually risking their lives, their health to get their bottle. This is really shocking. Going across to my colleague Sukirti Dwivedi, who's at Chandranagar. Sukirti, very shocking visuals you showed us there in the last bulletin, where people just came out as a mob to buy their daily dose of alcohol. What exactly is happening right now over there?
Well, Anjali, yes, there was a huge traffic jam because of the kind of mobs that had turned up at the liquor shops. But now the situation has changed completely. Now, as you can see behind me, there's heavy police presence in this area. And what they've started doing is that they have started turning back all the vehicles that lead to the liquor shops. The shops have already been shut, but still there are people coming in, many in the hope that because the government has allowed liquor shops to open, there might still be queues there. They might still get their liquor bottle that they need, but all of these crowds are now being turned back, both male and female police personnel. There's CRPF personnel that have been deployed here, and now as you can see, this entire street is completely vacant, completely deserted at this point of time. Until about half an hour ago, there were huge crowds over here, and because there was no social distancing in all the queues that were lining up at the liquor shops, the police had to disperse all of these crowds. As far as the revenue generation is concerned, the sale from liquor contributes to 14% of the revenue that the Delhi government gets. And as far as the total revenues of the Delhi government are concerned, they turned from about 3,500 crore last year in April to only 350 crores this year. So a huge reduction in the revenues of the Delhi government, and 14% contribution comes from liquor sale, and that is why the government decided to open them up. But clearly on the ground there are going to be a lot more obstructions for the government to carry out this process.